Our next chemical reaction is going to be looking at the decomposition of calcium carbonate. So in this test tube right here, I have the white powder calcium carbonate. So first thing we're going to do is decompose it by putting it over heat. I'm going to do that by holding it over my Bunsen burner. Now I'm going to hold it over my Bunsen burner for about 2 minutes. So I'll come back when I'm done. Now I've been holding this over the Bunsen burner for approximately 2 minutes. At this point, the calcium carbonate should have decomposed to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. The problem is that calcium oxide looks very similar to calcium carbonate. They are both white powders. However, I can see if CO2 is present. So I'm going to take my wooden splint right here, and I'm going to set it on fire and put it in this tube. If CO2 is present, that means that the flame on my wooden splint is going to be put out, thus indicating the presence of CO2. If my wooden splint flame does not go out, it stays burning, and I'll know that CO2 is not present and that this chemical reaction was unsuccessful. So let's take a look. Got my wooden splint burning, we put it in, and the flame goes out, indicating that we had CO2 present, meaning this white powder became calcium oxide.